Imagine holding a smartphone in your hand. Now picture unfolding at once, revealing a larger screen, perfect for watching videos or multitasking. But what if you could unfold it again, expanding it into a full-fledged tablet, almost the size of a small laptop? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, HUAWEI has just turned that science fiction into reality with its latest groundbreaking innovation, the HUAWEI Mate X-T Ultimate Design, the world's first tri-fold smartphone. HUAWEI has been at the forefront of foldable smartphone technology for years, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. When they launched the first Mate X, it was a revolution in itself. But the Mate X-T takes things even further, creating a device that completely changes how we think about mobile technology. At first glance, it looks like any other high-end smartphone, sleek, premium, and futuristic. But within seconds, it can transform into a 7.9-inch mini tablet, and then with another fold, a massive 10.2-inch display emerges, creating a device unlike anything else in the market. Building a tri-fold smartphone is no small feat. It requires precise engineering, advanced materials, and an innovative hinge mechanism that can endure thousands of folds without breaking. HUAWEI has managed to achieve this while maintaining an incredibly slim profile. When fully unfolded, the Mate X-T is just 3.6 millimeters thick, making it one of the thinnest large display devices ever created. This level of engineering ensures that despite its large size when expanded, it remains lightweight and portable enough to carry comfortably. The display itself is an absolute marvel. HUAWEI has used a high-resolution OLED panel with an impressive 3184x2232 pixel resolution, ensuring that every image, video, and text appears sharp and vibrant. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate makes interactions buttery smooth, whether you're scrolling through social media, playing high refresh rate games, or switching between multiple applications. The display technology also adapts dynamically, adjusting the refresh rate based on the type of content you're viewing to optimize battery life. When it comes to performance, HUAWEI has ensured that the Mate X-T is equipped with the best hardware available. Under the hood is powered by the HiSilicon Kirin 9010 chipset, a processor designed to handle the most demanding tasks effortlessly. With 16 GB of RAM, the phone can handle intense multitasking, gaming, and content creation without breaking a sweat. Storage options range from 256 GB to a massive 1 TB, giving users plenty of space for all their apps, games, photos, and videos. The camera system on the Mate X-T is just as impressive as its display and performance. The rear setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization and a variable aperture ranging from f/1.2 to f/4.0. This ensures exceptional performance in all lighting conditions, whether you're capturing stunning landscapes in broad daylight or taking night shots with minimal noise. The 12MP ultra-wide lens expands the field of view, perfect for capturing large group shots or breathtaking scenery. The 12MP periscope telephoto lens offers 5.5x optical zoom, allowing users to get incredibly close to their subjects without compromising image quality. The front camera, embedded within the display, features an 8MP sensor, ensuring crisp and clear selfies and video calls. Powering this beast of a device is a robust 5,600 mAh battery designed to last an entire day even with heavy usage. The 66W wired fast charging ensures that the phone can go from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes, while the 50W wireless charging adds convenience for those who prefer a cable-free experience. The device also supports 7.5W reverse wireless charging, allowing users to charge smaller gadgets like wireless earbuds or even another smartphone. Running on HarmonyOS 4.2, HUAWEI's proprietary operating system, the Mate X-T offers a seamless user experience with innovative software features that take full advantage of its unique foldable design. The multi-window support allows users to run multiple applications simultaneously, making multitasking more efficient than ever. App continuity ensures that applications transition smoothly between folded and unfolded states, adjusting automatically to the screen size and orientation. The launch of the Mate X-T marks a significant shift in the smartphone industry. With a price tag of approximately $2,800, it firmly positions itself in the ultra-premium category. Initially launched in China, its availability in other regions remains uncertain, largely due to ongoing trade restrictions and market regulations. However, its impact on the industry is undeniable. HUAWEI has once again set a benchmark in foldable technology, proving that innovation has no limits. The Mate X-T Ultimate Design isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that showcases what's possible when engineering, design, and cutting-edge technology come together in perfect harmony. As foldable devices continue to evolve, the Mate X-T stands as a testament to what the future holds. It redefines the way we use our devices, making traditional smartphones feel outdated in comparison. For those who want the ultimate in versatility, power, and innovation, the Mate X-T is not just a phone, it's the future of mobile computing.